With vehicle software updates, you can get free enhancements, purchase innovative new upgrades, and receive refinements through over-the-air technology. And not just that. These updates also give you access to new features, in-vehicle apps, and more, so your vehicle can continue to get better over time. Vehicle software updates require internet connectivity, and to receive these updates, you should have accepted the terms and conditions upon the delivery of your vehicle. There are 2 steps to get the update: download and installation. Software downloads happen automatically and occur in the background, which means you can continue to use your vehicle normally. Downloads automatically pause and resume when you turn off your vehicle or lose connectivity, like when pulling into a parking garage or a covered space. The size of the update or the strength of your wireless connection may also affect the download time. Want to check the progress of your vehicle software download? Just tap the Settings menu in your center display. Then, under the Settings tab, go to the Vehicle Software section and look for Updates. Once the download is finished, the update can be installed. Complete a drive cycle with your vehicle and shift it into park. Then, just follow the instruction prompts on the screen. During the process, you can't drive your vehicle and the center display may remain active, so make sure your vehicle is parked in a secure location. Installation can't be stopped and takes around 20 minutes or less depending on your update. You are not required to stay inside the vehicle during an update, so make sure your windows are closed and your doors are locked when you leave. The installation progress will also be shown on your center display and in the My Cadillac mobile app for eligible vehicles. Regularly installing software updates gives you the best in-vehicle experience, making each drive better than the last.